He's gonna hit. He's gonna crash right now. Boom. Look at. He's gonna crash. He's gonna crash. I gotta stop him before he kills himself. Stop. Pull over, nigga. He's gonna go out. He's gonna crash.
He's probably just on his phone not paying attention.
Crash. Pull the fuck over, nigga.
He's gonna kill somebody. Literally.
He's gonna crash. He's gonna fuck that brand new car up. He ain't sliding nothing. That shit's crazy.
Oh, right
Boom,
outside.
boom, ready? Bang!
Oh my god!
Yo! Fucking dummy!
Wait, stop. Stop.
Yo!
Hey! You can't get out. You got a call. You can't get out.
The cops are right there, you fucking dummy!
The cops are right there. What's wrong with you?
The cops are right there! Get the fuck out the car, nigga. You're drunk! You are
Something's
drunk.
wrong with you. I have you on recording for a whole minute.
Bro, get out the car and just run, bro. You're gonna get arrested, bro.
I'm straight, bro.
No, we were watching you for the past 5 minutes.
I'm out. He's on his own. I'm out. They're gone. Whoa.